When it comes to Austria's political security and political interest, it's very interesting since Austria is since 1955 neutral, which means that by Austrian law, Austria is not allowed to join any military alliance in this world. And so Austria is also not part of NATO, and that even though Austria has a strong alliance with the Western countries, it is not part of NATO, and therefore, if you want to say so, defense-less and it has defense, but only its own military, and doesn't have any other cooperation military-wise with any other country in this world. This now, especially since the war began with Ukraine and Russia nearly 3 years ago, created a big discussion in Austria about what would Austria do if something really happens, because Austria is alone, and Austria by itself, military-wise, will not be able to defend itself ever, because our military is very weak and underfunded, if you want to say so. And it's a whole political discussion in the last 3 years of what would Austria do if something is happening. Therefore, regarding the European Union security, it's very big Austrian interest that the European Union has a strong security, a strong border security, and a strong alliance in itself, because Austria is not part of NATO, but Austria is part of the European Union, and therefore Austria hopes that through maybe military pact inside the European Union and a strong border, Austria can defend itself with this and with its allies through the European Union, and trying to overcome any law break by bridging this, as the European Union technically is not a military alliance but a political alliance, and therefore Austria tries and hopes for a very strong European Union and swift force in order to protect the European Union and the interests of all European Union members.